You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this drink or beverage. If you want to learn more confusing names of coffees and other specialties, including from Starbucks and Italian, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Pronounced in English as iced, you probably knew that. Latte is how it's pronounced in English. It comes from the Italian word for milk, which sounds in Italian. Latte is the Italian pronunciation. Latte. Iced latte would be in Italian. In English, though, it's pronounced latte. Iced latte. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.